Where are all these red lines coming from? Are you kidding me? It was just a missing bracket. I gave the exact same broken code base to the three most popular AI coding tools. Same bug, same instructions, same starting point. Two of them look like they fixed it.
Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update.
Initialize. Optimize.
Here's why this matters. 84% of developers now use AI coding tools, but only 29% actually trust the output.
That gap, everyone's using these things, nobody's sure they're right. So I'm not reading you a feature list. I'm going to run the same real task through all three.
Here's the test. A realistically messy project, with a bug that isn't obvious. I gave each tool the identical prompt.
Three contenders: Cursor, GitHub Copilot, and Claude Code, the terminal agent designed to take a whole task and run with it. Let's go.
First, Cursor. Where Cursor shines is multi-file work. It can look across the project, not just the file you're in.
So Cursor's verdict? It handled the context perfectly. Notice how it preserved the existing test logic without breaking any dependencies. One thing you need to know if you're considering Copilot, as of June 1st, 2026, it switched to usage-based billing with GitHub AI credits. So the cheap and simple pricing story changed. It's no longer just a flat monthly fee for everyone. I'll put the real cost breakdown at the end.
Next, Copilot. This is the one most people already have. It's moved well beyond autocomplete now. Agent mode can take on multi-step tasks. Did agent mode trace the bug or guess? Let's look at the diff. It caught the symptom, but it struggled to find the root cause in the external library.
Hold that thought, because tool number 3 handles this exact moment completely differently. But first, let's look at the industry giant.
Finally, Claude Code. This one's different. It lives in the terminal, and it's built to take the whole task and execute a plan, like handing it to a junior dev. We're seeing real planning, multi-file reasoning, and actual test execution. Now here's the part nobody talks about.
It found the root cause in the middleware, not just a patch for the symptom. Here's the diff on screen showing the fix.
So who actually fixed it? Claude Code. Cursor and Copilot patched the symptom but left the root cause. Claude was the one that actually traced it to the source.
Stick around, because that pricing payoff is coming soon. You'll see these tools advertised with huge benchmark numbers, 80–90%, on something called SWE-bench verified. Here's the catch.
Put the same model on the contamination-resistant version, SWE-bench Pro, and it drops from around 81% to 46%.
It got so unreliable that OpenAI stopped reporting the verified score in early 2026. So when a tool brags about its benchmark number, that's why I run my own test instead. But here's the real answer. These tools aren't interchangeable. The developers getting the most out of AI mostly pair two: an in-editor assistant and a terminal agent. As promised, the real costs. Copilot moved to credit-based billing, Cursor already runs on credits, and Claude Code comes bundled with a Claude subscription. If you found this useful, the next test is brutal. I'm making the winner fix a real GitHub bug from a project I've never touched. See you there.